it's Mama Misha B. You know what I'm gonna do? Some cooking for you. So if you like what you see, like, comment, and definitely hit the subscribe. Good evening. Well, it's good afternoon and good morning and good night. Whatever time you're watching this, we are back. Kitchen, cooking, doing all the jazz and the malaise. You know what it is. So today it's tuna, mash, and some vegetables. It's fresh tuna. High in protein, so that should be alright. Last time I ate something, it was just after 12, and it's now after 4, going up to 5. So let's get cooking. I'm having mash today, but it's like shop made mash because I've run out of potatoes, so I'm just gonna take what I can because I can. Vegetables is done, tuna's done, dinner's ready. Almost. I'm glad I'm really eating this once. Looks like, I don't know, it's missing something, but food. So we've got our tuna steak, vegetables, and a little bit of mash. I'm glad I'm not eating that mash again because you need to have a lot to get a lot. Yes, we're going to go and enjoy this meal now. Tuna's done. I hope I haven't overdone it again, but we'll see when I go to eat it.